It smell like medicine. I can't get with it. It smell like medicine. I don't like it. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Asia Renee. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming, and if you're a returner, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in again. Today I'm gonna show y'all what I got from this Sephora sale. Now it does end in a couple of days, so make sure if you see something you like, you run to go get it. And also, if you're interested in this video and more videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay y'all, so first we are gonna get into the McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection foundation. I'm sorry. So I've heard so many good things about Pat McGrath. Of course, it is a black owned brand, so definitely want to go out and support black owned brands, period. I'm going to be looking down on my notes just so I can give y'all as much information about the products as possible. This specific foundation is medium coverage. It is customizable, so you can actually build it from sheer to medium, and it has more of a natural finish. And I'm not gonna lie, I did blind buy when it comes to the color. So this color is deep 37, so I'm gonna swatch it on my hands to show y'all. And this is the pump. So she's a little tube, which I like because you can control how much comes out. Sometimes, like when the foundation pump is like the hole is too big, too much comes out, and I don't even need that much foundation, girl. So I'm gonna swatch it on my fingers, on my hand for y'all to see. And I tried this. Funny enough, I'm so happy my package came today because I went to Sephora today to see if this color would be the same as my complexion, and it actually matched really good. But I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. So this is after I blended it on my hand, and honestly, perfect. Like, I was so on the money with this color. Like, and it's very, as y'all can see, it was like moving on my hand. It's very like light and liquidy, so I can imagine that you don't need too much when you're using this product. A little probably goes a long way. So this did retail for $68, and I did get it 15% off. I think the Sephora holiday sale is the perfect time to get those high-end foundations, because honestly, investing in the products that you use is really important onto how your makeup comes out. Like, of course, you can use drugstore makeup, but for me in particular, like the things I would get from the drugstore is like, not foundation, mascara, maybe eyeliner. But when it comes to concealer and foundation, I make sure I invest in quality products. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if mine came in broken or something, but Sephora, Miss Man, we gonna have to talk about that, because this was not cheap for my thing to be coming in broken. But I'm really happy with this, and it is definitely really light, definitely buildable. It just blends perfectly. So I would definitely say go out and get this. I can't wait to use this in my next makeup routine. So now, most of the products that I'm going to start off showing you are going to be makeup, because that's primarily what I purchased. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the color Coffee Cake. So this specific powder is for baking and setting, and that's why I was really interested in getting it. Love Huda's very simplified packaging. And let me just open it so I can show it to y'all. It comes with a ton of products. I could probably put it on my face now to show y'all. Actually, I have a full face on right now, but I don't think putting a little bit of powder on it will hurt. Okay, yeah. So I definitely got the perfect shade, because I really wanted it to blend well when I set my face. Oh yes, yeah. So before this, I was using the Laura Mercier setting powder, and I do have that setting powder on now, so I'm interested to see the difference that the Huda Beauty one makes. But if you're a similar skin tone as me, I would definitely say get Coffee Cake, and I'm really excited to use this product. It did retail for $35, and I got it 15% off with the sale. It is vegan. It does give a matte finish, and it is medium coverage. So make sure you get her, because I just feel like I hear so many people talk about this and I had to try it. Next, we have One Sizes Turn Up the Base Butter Soap Concealer. I believe this is Patrick Starr's brand, and the packaging is so cute. I'm all about packaging. Like, if it comes in a pretty package, it's gonna catch my eye, okay? But I did see a lot of the girlies talking about this one on TikTok, so I wanted to get a lighter concealer for my under eyes. So this is in the color Dark 2. I will swatch it on my hands for y'all to see. So that's how it looks when it's blended, and I really wanted to use this again to brighten up my under eye. I have mostly red undertones, so that's what I blind bought again all of these shades. I was really nervous about how they were going to come out, so I made sure that I went for one that had rosy undertones, and I feel like this was definitely the perfect color. This specific concealer is full coverage and it's best for combination skin. I have combo skin, like in my T-zone, I'm really oily, so I'm really happy that it is best for combination because I can definitely use that. And it is waterproof, so I might have to test that out when I go on vacation or something like that. But yes, I'm really excited to use this. The main reason why I'm stocking up on products is because I felt like a lot of times in my makeup routines or the videos I brought you guys when it comes to makeup, I was using the same exact products. I was like, it's nice to, of course, like find the products you love and stay with them, but it's also nice to try new things. So that's what I'm doing, and you know, hopefully I can expand my collection a little bit more and put y'all onto some new game. Next, we have the Pat McGrath Divine Blush and Glow Face Palette in Nude Venus. Now, I was considering just kind of getting out like one blush from her, but I saw this palette. Look at how pretty, y'all. Look at how pretty these colors are. Like, they're very like rosy, pink, and nude, like peachy nudes. So I'm actually gonna try one because I don't have any blush on currently. So the colors in this are Desert Orchard, Nude Venus, Divine Rose, and Paradise Venus. Those are the 4 colors. And then this highlight on the side is Sunset Nectar. So I'm going to try, I really like this deep color right here. That's Paradise Venus. I'm going to try it on my cheeks so y'all can see. Oh, girl. Yeah. So usually in my videos I use Rare Beauty liquid blush. I cannot talk. I use Rare Beauty liquid blush, but I think I'm definitely more of a powder blush girl because I like how much you can control the amount that goes on. I feel like with liquid sometimes, even if you put a dot, it's like overkill, but with this, oh, and this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna try a different color on the other cheek. I'm gonna try the first one, Desert Orchard. This one, I'm always a little bit scared of lighter colors, so we'll see. Okay. Okay, she's pretty. She's pretty. She's definitely, this definitely has a deeper rosy, you know, red tone, and she has more like of a lighter pinkish tone, but they're both really, I'm more gravitating towards this one, but she's really pretty too. Like, I really love this color. And then let me also try on the highlight for you guys. That's Sunset Nectar. Ooh. Oh, but I like her. Okay, so with Pat McGrath's blushes and highlighters, like a little bit definitely goes a long way, but I love this highlighter. Oh baby, yeah, y'all need to get this one. This one is it. She retails for $62. The reason why I'm not telling y'all like the price that it was like when it's off is because Sephora doesn't tell y'all. Like, Sephora doesn't tell you how much the price is. It just shows you the total. So that's why I can't tell y'all what the price of everything is. Sorry, but Alrighty, so for body, I have the Brazilian Bum Bum Brazilian crushed cherryosa and pistachio and salted caramel. I put this on every day, every single day, and I just hit Rouge, so I was a VIB before, so the girls sold the big version out, so I had to get the mini version again. And let me show y'all my other mini version. She's on her last leg. She did last a pretty long. I would say like maybe it's been like 6 or so months since I bought it. So I had to get this because I love warm. Like, I'm very much a vanilla. I like to smell like cookies and warm hugs kind of girl. And if you like that, baby, she's the one for you. I put this on every day. I put it in my hair. Like, I'm gonna spray it right now because I just love the way it smells. Like, this is for your hair and your body, which is what I really like about that. Because sometimes, you know, like when you go out and people smoking ganja and they're smoking hookah, and then and you wasn't doing none of that, and then next thing you know, you go home and your wig smelling crazy. Yeah, she's the one to relieve that. So I live by this. I wear it every single day. Like I said, even with my perfumes, like I all over. Go get her. Okay, so another thing I got for skincare and body is a refill of my Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant, and I use this every single day. I got the refill because I have the bottle, and I really love that Dermalogica is aiming to be eco-friendly by providing refills instead of us having to buy an entirely new bottle. So I thought that was really cool, and honestly, I love this product because the pores, what is that? Like, when I exfoliate my face with this, the pores is gone. The skin feels smooth. So I use Dermalogica Micro Exfoliant, and I also use their cleanser. I use both of them together, and my skin, listen, my skin without makeup, chef's kiss. And I live by Dermalogica. Like, I love Dermalogica's products. So she's another one to go. That was it for the full-size products. Now I'm gonna go into the samples, because if you're not picking samples with every Sephora purchase, what are you doing? Because they're always available. So I got the K Ali Vanilla, and I've been contemplating on purchasing this because, like I said, with the Brazilian Bum Bum perfume, I love me a good vanilla. So I'm gonna try it on. I should let the air out first. Smell like straight alcohol. Hold on. So the reason why I didn't buy this is because someone on TikTok, I think it was Fumi Monet. I'm not sure if it was her, but I think she said it's straight vanilla. She didn't say it was a bad thing, but it's straight vanilla. And I love vanilla, but I like vanilla mixed with other things, and I didn't want to just smell like vanilla extract. Maybe I gotta spray it again. Like, it smells good. Let me let it dry, and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so after coming back, I think I like it, but I don't think it's a perfume that I would wear by itself. I would probably wear it in combination with another sweeter perfume. But it doesn't smell bad, and it's not too strong. Like, it's very warm. It smells just like vanilla. So I would definitely consider getting it because it's not that expensive. I think it's like $50. It's not that expensive. And I also got Tom Ford Black Orchid. Why can't I say this word? What's wrong with me? We're gonna see how this one smells. I don't think I liked this the last time I smelled it, but we're gonna give it another chance. It smells like medicine. I can't get with it. It smells like medicine. I don't like it. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. This is the end of everything that I purchased. So far, my total minus the Christmas gift that I got was $240. So I think that's really good considering some of the higher end items I did get, like the Pat McGrath foundation. So I would definitely say make sure y'all take advantage of the holiday sale while it lasts. Okay, ends November 7th. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this all out of pocket. They did not expedite my shipping, none of that. So if you're interested in seeing more videos about beauty or fashion, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.